All right, the Ministry of External Affairs has also now released a statement on the evolving situation in Nepal, stating that we are closely monitoring the developments in Nepal since yesterday and are deeply saddened by the loss of many young lives. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of the deceased. We also wish speedy recovery for those who were injured. As a close friend and neighbor, we all hope that all concerned will exercise to restraint and address the issues in peaceful means and dialogue. We have also taken the note of the authorities having imposed curfew in Kathmandu and several other cities of Nepal. Indian nationals in Nepal are advised to exercise caution and adhere to the steps and guidelines issued by the Nepali authorities. All right, Arzu joins me and shares more details. Arzu, if you can hear me, share more details about the security heightened in Nepal and the MEA more specifically issuing a statement given the situation that is evolving in Nepal.
Well, definitely, the protests in Kathmandu, Salanki area were part of the larger movement led by the Nepalese Gen Z against the government's decision to ban the social media platform, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And in fact, the ban was imposed due to the alleged misuse and failure of these platforms to register with the government. And also, after the massive protest, the government has stepped back and lifted the ban on the social media platforms. But still, there is a high security that can be clearly seen. The security forces are taking a round of the area, and also there is still a protest that is continuing going on, and that's why there has been a tightened security that is there. And now the MEA has also issued a statement regarding this, and they said that we are closely monitoring the development in Nepal since yesterday and are deeply saddened by the loss of the many young life. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of deceased. We wish the speed recovery of those who were injured. So definitely, as a close friend and neighbor, the MEA also shared that India hopes that all concerned will exercise restraint and address any issue through peaceful means and dialogues. The authorities have imposed curfew in Kathmandu and several other cities of Nepal. Indian nationals in Nepal are advised to exercise precautions and adhere to the steps and guidelines issued by the Nepal authorities. So, this is a statement that the MEA has shared regarding the ongoing unrest in the Nepal. Yes, Simran.
All right, Arzu, thank you very much for these